Hi, welcome back to our channel and back to the tutorial for Python. Today we are going to see the one of the interesting project called that is develop a quick timer app with the help of Tkinter, where we are going to utilize the Pygam and I am going to execute the project with the help of PyCharm only. So this is the quick time app. Suppose I am viewing hours 00 minute 1 minute and 10 seconds. It will get ready and it will elapse automatically if you want pause and reset the timing when you want. So for this session, what we are doing is before going that we need coding or we need a coding and we need a supporting file called assets. In this assets, we have a sound file called finish logo and tick. So once everything over, it is a tick only and finish. It will give you a small music also with audio file. So let's move on to the PyCharm where we get the clarity. So here we are going to use Tkinter as we told in the previous sessions. Tkinter is one of the powerful GUI that is graphical user interface. We can develop n number of applications and we can create a window where we can use and work with n number of submit buttons and take input box and so on. Here for this one, we are going to import the Tkinter and we are going to import Pygam. What is Pygam? Pygam is one of the familiar library or tool utilizes this, which is utilized for develop the gamming as well as the sound files also. So if you want, if you have any sound file in the programming, we can use the Pygam. It will help you to get the sound properly. For this programming, we are use the function called resource path, where you go in the relative path. And because for this project, I kept all the coding in the D colon and even the support file in the D colon only. And we are going to use the variables like pink is equal to something, red is equal to green, and so on. Then we are going to use the reset timer as in the screen. So we are designing the cook timer app. The title as a cook timer app only, where the user can enter successfully hours, minutes, and seconds also. So this way, and here we are going to reset timer function. Then we are setting the start timer because the user can, if you want to install with the 01 or 00 also. So time reducing, I'm just giving 1 minute and 10 seconds like that only, and hours. So let's giving now only. Once you give the hours 00, then input and 2 minutes I'm giving, and here I'm giving the seconds as a 01. So once I click the button start, it start to elapse it. See, and showing the progress bar also here. So we are going to give the hours, minutes, seconds, and count as with the formula, and we are giving the if conditions and if and else condition and definition function called count timer. This is very important calculation where you give the global variable called timer, and if you pass it means it's pass, and again if you press play, you start to play also, and we are giving the coding very simple and easy, and give the conditions. Then we are going the past timer. For past timer with the coding also, the user can resume the just showing the here. So already it's elapsed of 1 minute 25 seconds. Suppose I want pass, it's passing. When you click again resume, it start to elapse the timing and successfully execute the cook time off. Then we are writing the coding called play tick sound. So this is for activate the file where I told you assets. In the assets, I have a file called tick.wave. So it's having just a few seconds, that's 2 seconds only. So once the operation over, it will give the tick sound, and finish button also. Once you everything over, it will give the data. See, sound came just now. So once over, start to give the finish button and progress. And also we need a support a progress bar. And just now told Pygam will help you to play the sound successfully. Title as a cook timer app. If you want, you can change. And we are give the size as with the measurement of 300 225 and following the uh, attributes and label, followed by minutes, seconds, followed by start button, followed by pause button. And as if you have an idea about Tkinter, we can easily understand. If you are beginner also, it will be useful. And the main thing is progress bar, where we write the progress bar equal to canvas dot create rectangular 0 comma 0 comma 30 comma followed by fill score green color. At last we enter the program with the window dot main loop. Let's move on to the output screen. So we have executed successfully the cook timer off. We are going to complete it just few seconds. Yeah, it give the tick sound. You can observe it. Yeah, I hope that you understand the video. If you like the channel, please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.